Today I'm doing a review on this floating shelf. This floating shelf is a wall mount. Were gifted to me in exchange for this review. Let's open up this box and see what we have. Now that I'm opening the box, I see a thank you letter from the manufacturer. And also it has the instructions on the backhand side. Now what came in the kit itself was 3 different size width shelves. The length is identical. And on each one of these shelves, you can see the nice wood grain of them. Also on the backhand side, you can see the hardware that it's used to mount to the wall is very durable. So I feel like it's gonna last a long time. Now it also came with a ruler, and on this ruler, it is set to how far away when you're choosing to put on your wall. And what you'll do is you'll just take this of where you want to place your shelf unit and take your pen or pencil and make the mark. And that's where you'll be screwing the screws and the plugs into the wall. Now let's go ahead and get this set up. Now as you can see, I've already started one, but I wanted to show you how I did use the ruler when I was marking for where I wanted it to go. And what I did is I just set it in, made sure that it was level, took my pencil, and made my marks. Remember just to leave it out just a little bit because the floating shelf does have a little space from the wall to where the shelf has to be put on there to mount. Makes for an easy installation. Very easy to put up on the wall. As you can see, I just did the one. Now what I'm going to do, this is for my son's bedroom, and this is going to be his little work area underneath his desk. And I will show you what it looks like with all 3 of them at this point without anything on it. Now they do hold about 20 pounds a piece, and they are very sturdy. And if you look really close, you can see the wood grain that is on these shelves. See how great they look? A great organizational tool for my child. You could use it in different areas. I chose this room, but I've thought of many other things to do with these floating shelves. All in all, I think these are a great buy and would suggest them.